Well, Jeff Carden has the PPW Women's Championship above his head. That means that we're fighting for it. Christina Marie, the PPW Heavyweight Champion, losing twice to Allie Recks in her quest to become the PPW Women's Champion, once by submission, once by pinfall. And tonight, Christina Marie is going to have to do what she has not been able to do, beat Allie Recks to keep that PPW Championship.
Collar and elbow tie up by the girls, backing into the ropes, now jockeying for position. Christina Marie, much stronger, the power lifter. Out of Albany, New York, clean break by Christina Marie. Allie gives her a big smile. Christina backs up.
Allie's been talking on social media about Christina Marie's 2 failed attempts.
Nice waist lock by Allie Recks. Beautiful switch around by Christina Marie. Little chain wrestling here. Allie Recks, Christina Marie. Back and forth. Mary Smith moves. Schoolboy roll up. 1-2 kick out. Another roll up by Christina Marie. These girls mirroring each other's moves. Foot sweep. Shoulders down. Throws her off. Another foot sweep. Let's try it again. How about 3 for a buck? Both went for the same move here, and you can see the familiarity there, Phil. Both girls know each other inside and out. You alluded to in our open that Christina Marie has never defeated Allie Recks in one-on-one action, and you think that's not in Christina Marie's head? Beautiful arm drag takedown by Christina Marie.
Yeah, I talked to Christina Marie before this match. It's not even about the championship. She'd like to hold on to it, obviously. But it's more about beating Allie Recks. It's more about an interpersonal thing with her. She has to prove to herself tonight, Paul, that she is the best in this women's division.
Look at that move here. Allie Recks right in front. Oh, hello there. She can come over here any day she wants. Phil, calm down. Put your eyes back in your
relax?
Head. Allie Recks ducks out of dodge here. Friendly matchup you're seeing here.
So far.
It's called respect, something you never have for people.
So far.
Stop yelling in the microphone. Beautiful kick by Allie Recks up high. Oh, in the electric chair, rolls over.
Carden down with his count with a force.
Oh, man, Christina Marie so quick. Ducks out of dodge there. And, Phil, what are you seeing here in this match? Take me through the first couple minutes.
Well, we're talking about Christina Marie making sure that she does not make a mistake. She knows the mistakes that she's made in the last 2 matches. She's watched them over and over again, obsessively. Christina Marie wants to make sure that she has this paced out correctly, that she gets in the right spots, and she doesn't find herself in a vulnerable spot. Remember, Paul, she's lost the last 2 times, one from a spear, the other from a submission. So she has to be careful that she doesn't fall into the trap that Allie Recks wants her to be in.
And very opportunistically, Christina Marie was right on top of it. Beautiful, caught her, went for the Hurricanrana into the stretch and stretching out the vertebrae in the back of Allie Recks. And Allie's a small girl. That's got to hurt, Phil. You or I, being well-rounded, I'm sure it wouldn't be as effective on, but Allie doesn't have much meat on her there. She's in such great shape.
Well, that's right to the bone.
Beautiful power move by Christina Marie. And Christina, you can see it's in her head, Phil. She knows she has never defeated her one-on-one. That is something that she has to get over.
Normally, the pressure is all on the challenger. Can you get this title? No. Christina Marie has got so much pressure in her head on herself to beat Allie Recks tonight.
Here we go, running bulldog by Allie Recks. Coming out of the cartwheel, the former cheerleader, side press, shoulders down, hooks one leg, kick out at 2.
You know, we talk so much about Christina Marie and what she's going through. How about Allie Recks? She's beaten Christina Marie twice. She wants to make this a 3rd time. She can't come in here overconfident. Even though she's the challenger, Christina Marie didn't win that title by defeating Allie Recks.
And there's that Mexican head scissor takeover she went for earlier that Christina caught her. Second time was the charm. Went for the 5-7-0. Nobody home. Christina off the ropes. Cross body block. Allie fell right on top of her. Opportunistic pin, but Allie's holding her abdomen area. Perhaps an injury there. Down low as both girls collide. It looks like they went for the same move, Phil.
These 2 have watched these matches so much that they are actually on the same page. We have seen this throughout. Double drop kick at the same time, move there at the same time. Both of them know one another so well. And now we're going to get a slugfest in the middle of the ring. You don't want to do that with a powerful person like Christina Marie.
That's like taking a BB gun to a gunfight. I say that all the time. Beautiful kick, martial arts style by Christina Marie. Hooks the leg, a little bit of a side press, not perhaps pushing out on the shoulders. She was more on her chest area. Didn't have her weight across the shoulders, couldn't get the 3 count. Christina Marie looking very concerned here, and probably rightfully so, Phil.
Oh, yeah, the last 2 attempts, 2 counts only, both times. She's looking very frustrated. She cannot let that get in her head. She has got to stay well grounded, well to her game, and she is 1 second away from losing that PPW Women's Championship.
I'll tell you what, not to change the subject here, but Phil, in December here, last show of the year, I know when you guys see this, it will be January of 19, but we have a great crowd here at PPW, as we did for most of the year this year. I can't really recall a bad one. We just want to say thank you to the PPW Nation for coming out, supporting us each and every month. I know I do, Phil. I do.
Yeah, I don't want to thank them.
And Allie looking very, very disoriented there, not knowing what to do. Christina down on all fours, trying to suck some wind.
Well, you can see how much this match means to both of these competitors. Both times getting a 2. Both of these
Oh boy, we've
Look
seen
out.
this with Leva Bates. Set up, power ball by Christina Marie. Matchbook cover. It's over.
Christina Marie.
And still PPW Women's Champion, Christina Marie.
Christina Marie coming in here and doing what she needed to do, defeating Allie Recks for the first time, and it's one that mattered.
Absolutely. Christina Marie showing her power, and she is looking concerned at Allie. I know it's a friendship that have bonded over the last couple of months, but you know what? Friendships only last so long, Phil. When you're between the ropes, it's no friendship anymore, and you can see the show of respect there by I'm getting choked up. You might have to take over.